Hi everyone, today we are seeing the power of Gemini and how it works. So let's start.
So first, go to the link that I have in the description, which is gemini.google.com/app/. Here, as all AI, you have the chat box where you can send messages like hello, hello, and you can ask questions. Let's just say hello for now. And here, you can wait for him to answer. What did I say? Him, not she. Because listen to this. If I click on this listen icon, and I can press pause icon to stop. And now here, we can speak with audio. Just say, I want to visit America. Then press enter. Okay, here. Oh, give me an image. Ooh. Here, just click on the listen icon to hear his answer. Here you have lots of answers that you can see. And if you don't like them, you can just click on this regenerate icon. And now here, let's explore by by pressing this upload image icon. Here I can upload the image. Let's say this image, and just say what is in this image. And then wait for her to answer. Here I can click on this edit icon to edit my answer, my question. This is a very great answer. You can click on this to add your feedback. It was correct. Let's click on submit. You sent the feedback now to Google. Here, let's explore the interface. Here, if you click on this hamburger menu, you can see all of your recent chats. And if you click on this icon, you create a new chat. I'm going to go back to my hello chats. Here, if I click on this three dots, I can pin this so when I close the tab and then open it again, then I'll find it right there. And then here I can rename it or I can delete it. Here, let's go to settings. And here are extensions. Here, you can activate extensions just from here. You can see one called YouTube. Here, let's go to the AI and click on new chats. And then ask him, give me a video from the channel Windows 10 user. Oops, I made a mistake. Let's click on this edit icon. Oh, I want to know. Use updates. And then you can see this animation here. I might not give you this the same answer as you want. But if you keep trying, it will give it to you. Let's say how to make a cookie in Paint 3D. Well, I've got to tell him how, to give me a YouTube video, so let's just say it. Give in a YouTube video. And here, let's wait. Here's the animation again. What? There are lots of reasons. Here I can make our reports, but not I don't like it. Here, oops, here, toggle on light and dark theme. So, this is how you use Gemini. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. So, see you again.